So what's up everyone? So today's video I'm going to show you on how to upload a lesson inside your LMS course dashboard. Okay, so first thing that we need to do, you're going to go or visit the dashboard of your LMS account. So here I'm using my account, and then we will need to scroll down and search for the dashboard where we will going to upload our lesson. So here we're gonna pick the LMS training 101, so we need to click that, and we will redirect to its course dashboard or subject dashboard. So here, imagine this is your dashboard and you want to upload the lesson. All we need to do is go to the upper right corner of the screen. You can see the turn editing on, and click that so that you will be able to see some objects that you will going to click in order to upload your lesson. Okay, so I will assume that I'm gonna put the lesson inside the prelim category. Okay, so under the prelim, we'll just need to click the add an activity or resources. Okay, and under all of the activities that available here, you need to scroll down and find the resources file, and after that you click the add. So here you will just have to put the necessary details in order to finish uploading the file. First is the name or the title of the lesson. So let's assume that the title is lesson 1. Okay, if you want to put description of your lesson or file, you can just add here. Let's say 1 to 2 weeks 2 weeks lesson, and then we can check or uncheck. If you want to display the description under your title of the lesson, we can just click this one. And the critical part of this is the upload of the file. So we will going to check this and choose the file. So let's say a sample lesson. So this Word document contains all of the lesson for the week 1 and week 2. Just have to upload it and then click upload this file. So once there is a image of the Microsoft Word, it means that we have successfully uploaded our file, but that's not yet finished, because there are other settings here, but since this is just a simple tutorial, we just had to leave that and click save and display. Okay, once we have successfully added that into our dashboard, this is the page. So we'll just have to back to our dashboard to see if it is already available. You see, so as you can see right now, the lesson 1 and the description is already available inside the dashboard. Okay, so this is how simple to put an activity or lesson in your account. Okay, so if you have any question or suggestion, just put it under the comment box below. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye bye.